Your heels don't hurt because you can't walk in them. They hurt because no one ever showed you how to make them comfortable. Most people grow up believing that pain is just part of wearing high heels, like it's a rule you're not allowed to question. If your feet hurt, you just smile, suffer, and wait for the moment you can finally take them off. But that idea is wrong. Heels are only painful when you wear them the wrong way or ignore what your feet are trying to tell you. High heels are supposed to make you feel confident, strong, and attractive. The way your posture changes, the way you move, the way people look at you, all of that is part of the magic. But the second your feet start burning or your toes go numb, that magic disappears. Your focus shifts. Instead of enjoying how you look, you're counting minutes, scanning the room for a chair, or thinking about kicking your shoes off under the table. The confidence fades because the discomfort takes over. And most of the time, the real problem isn't the heel height at all. It's the lack of preparation. The first mistake most people make is choosing the wrong fit. If your toes already feel tight when you try the heels on, they will not feel better later. In fact, they will feel worse. Feet swell as the day goes on, and tight shoes only increase pressure. When your toes are squeezed together, all your weight shifts forward, straight onto the ball of your foot. That's when pain shows up fast. A good fit should feel secure, but never painful from the start. If it hurts in the store, it will hurt even more outside. Another common mistake is wearing brand new heels straight out for a long day or night. New heels are stiff. The sole is hard, the straps are tight, and the shoe hasn't shaped to your foot yet. That stiffness is a big reason new heels feel cruel. Wearing them around the house for short periods helps soften the sole and lets the shoe slowly adjust to your foot shape. Your feet also get time to adapt without being shocked all at once. Padding is another secret many people overlook. Small gel pads under the ball of your foot can make a huge difference by reducing pressure where it hurts the most. Heel grips prevent slipping, which stops your foot from sliding forward with every step. When your foot stays in place, your toes don't carry all the weight, and pain builds up much slower. How you walk matters more than most people think. Long, fast steps put extra pressure on your toes, ankles, and lower back. Shorter, slower steps keep your balance centered. When you slow down, your heels feel more stable, and your feet last longer without discomfort. The biggest secret is this: comfortable heels don't happen by accident, they are planned. When you choose the right fit, break in your shoes, support your feet, and walk smart, heels stop feeling like a struggle. They start feeling like control. Subscribe for more high heel tips like this.